So I've done quite a few skull looks. The one thing that I've never touched on is trying to do a neon skull. I know that there's quite a few of those out there. I've seen plenty of them where you do the like an eyeshadow line, and then if you draw a white line through the middle, it sort of gives like a luminescent look. That isn't what I wanted to do today. What I wanted to do today was full blown, it will glow in the dark kind of look. Well, that's the intention anyway. If it works, then I will be pleasantly surprised. I've never done anything like this before. I recently bought a neon light. If I am able to take it off there. One of these boys. So that's on the UV setting. There's also this setting, which supposedly has UV in it, although I don't really see how, but we'll play around with that. There's also that one. I'm gonna turn that off because it makes noise. So I got some paints from Amazon. I also went to my favorite place to get gemstones, and that is Evol Cosmetics. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And they do a couple of different neon stuff. So they do these loose pigments, some green, a little bit of yellow. I also picked up a pink, a rather nice pink. And then I also got some glitter that looks nice and neon-y. It also says on all of these that they're UV, which makes me think that they will indeed glow in the dark. I also bought myself M&Ms. So if I can find my fluffy brush, that would be great. I don't know what I was expecting, but it seems to have like a little, you see that? Like a little seal. That was stupid. Look how pigmented that is. How awesome is that? Yeah, pink was a good choice. I think to smudge it around, I'm gonna have to use another brush because this one is so bright pink. It's just, that's just gonna go everywhere. So I'm gonna get a clean brush. Okay, so that's that eye done. We'll move on to the other one. Okay, so I've done the pink. I'm now going to move on to the yellow and the green. I'm gonna do green going into yellow. Oh, what have I done? Let's carry on. Let's highlight it up. Let's now move on to, ooh, this is the fun part. So I'm just gonna tip some on my table here. We're doing a bit of this. So at the moment it just kind of looks like I got a weird beard going on, so I don't I'm thinking I should maybe make a start on doing some teeth soon. Let's just finish up my beard a little bit here and then we'll move on to the teeth. That's it. Oh, that was the UV light that just decided to throw itself off the table. Okay, I think I'm done with that. So I didn't record that bit because the entire time I was like this, so I don't think it would have been particularly entertaining. But essentially all I did was take a fine brush like this, dipped it in the blue because I tried the yellow and it just didn't work at all, and then opted for the blue instead. And now I think what I'm gonna do is just add some details to my chest and then put on a wig, and then I think I'm done.